Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Uti Amc kala Plie ka Tnad Treikam jong ka Shillong mada sngi sa jan ka atarik jemang arhajar arpuhenriu shibenta ban penyar ka jing Treikam jong ka hakathan North East ka Uti Amc ka de we ni ki asset manager ka ba he bha hari India ka badan Plie point khatsan klur ki group AUM ka deru ki investment manager nakbenta ka UTI mutual fund ringkat ka quarterly average AUM ka ba lai point khandai lai lang but cut lai point pra million ringkat ka life folius kat kum ka jingkhen hado ka life hoi tarik no pra arhajar arpusan haba ajingkran hakani ka sngi wa India Sengupta zonal head UTI asset management co limited ulaong ba ka mutual fund kanang klan haga jingyar North East hakba ha usnambaladap kala Plie artali kitna kata ha aizol but dibrugan ka UTI mutual fund kadon sanpupra tali kitna haga than mingi hakba kidon chispa arpuhendriu kiblat bit bha habaya dei ba kaching bay pisa uan India ulaong bangi dei ban shakri man kijaka haga than North East ka UTI mutual fund kadon khandai tali kitna ha North East ka UTI AMC kan ebeteng ban kentiu yaga mutual fund industry
New location, new promises. Thank you. A new Josh for a new occasions that we are participating. We are relocating our UFC from Police Bazaar Mohini store to Police Bazaar Kitting Road in RPG complex first floor. So the branch was inaugurated on 3rd May 2010. The origin branch there we have in our Police Bazaar Mohini store, and during the inauguration part many of the faces are there, but many of 90%, more than 90% are new faces out here for this new inauguration. So that inauguration was done by UK Sinha sir, that time the chairman of MD of UTI AMC Limited. Later on UK Sinha sir became the...
First of all, a very warm afternoon to all of you. So it's a momentous occasion to me to enter into a new branch of Shillong. You know, the first when I have come to this Shillong branch and a year back, I requested that the chief manager and Tarif that whether we can go to a bigger branch with a prominent location, because it's a state capital and we also intend to increase our business from here. Around 462 crores of asset under management that we have it here in Shillong, and we want to grow it in a very big way. We have our distribution partners, our respected MFDs who have been serving with us and been with us, supporting us, reached out to all the corners of the different parts of Northeast. Along with that, we have our bank partners, we have our national distributor partners, and of course, we have our lot of direct investors who can walk into the branches also through the offline and online mode Northeast. Starting from Silchar, Agartala, Guwahati, Nagaon, Tinsukia, Jorhat, Dibrugarh, Shillong, even in Aizol we have a footprint. It's not the end here. We have expectations that in the time to come, as our journey continues, we expect that more footprints would be there. But 9 footprints in Northeast is a very strong footprint that we have. And while we have offices everywhere, any investor throughout India can walk into our office and get the service. It is not that we have our office in Shillong and only the investors of Shillong and only the investors of Meghalaya can take the service. But any investor throughout India can walk in to any of our offices and service. In Eastern India, we have around 55 offices, total 55 offices, and in Northeast we have 9 offices. Not only Meghalaya, the entire Northeast is very important market for us. And having a very important market, our organization is actually moving in that direction to respond to that important market. What I mean to say by that, we have 9 footprints in Northeast, and in this 9 foot